Welcome back. Today we'll show you how to create your own app in Salesforce. First, log into Salesforce and navigate to the App Manager. Click on New Lightning App. Fill in your app details including the app name and description. Customize your app's branding by adding a logo and choosing a color scheme. Next, choose the navigation items you want to include, such as accounts, opportunities, contacts. You can add more items later if needed. Set the app's visibility by selecting the user profiles that should have access. This ensures the right people have the right tools. Review your settings and click Save and Finish. Your new app is now ready to use. To use this app, you need the help of Objects and Lightning App Builder. Let's explore all these in our next video.